Hey guys, this is ANYKIT 2-in-1 inspection camera or endoscope camera, model number NTC30P. A really great camera and really great value. And diving inside the bag, you will see the reasons why I like this camera, because it strikes you first with a really high quality rubbery part where it connects with a device, and here on top we will see a really high quality connector that goes to Lightning for iPhones and iPads, from a female USB-C to male USB-C, and when you couple together, it goes for iPhones and iPads, and if you take it off, it works for all Android phones that have USB Type-C. And in the other side, the cable is one of those that stays in one place. Here's the camera itself, really good and really high quality. You put it in one spot and it stays on that spot for as long as you want. You can bend it, twist it, and here we have the light adjustment knob that it can increase and decrease the light of those 8 LEDs that are here right on top of the camera. Really high quality metal housing around that camera, by the way. And now I will show you just really quick how to install it on an Android tablet that I happen to have here. This is really easy. You just go to your app store, whether you're an Android or Apple, and in the booklet here, in one of the pages, you'll have how to install the app and where to install it from. In this page, as you see right here, the app is called UC Plus, USEE Plus. You can either scan the barcode or search it manually like I'm gonna do here on this tablet, and just let me type it really quick. And here's the app we are looking for. Hit download and install, or whatever the prompt would be for your device, whether you're an Android or Apple. And once it's installed, all you need is just give it permissions, of course, to access the gallery, because it has to save the videos and photos somewhere. And after that, you'll see here just in a moment, yes, I agree. Here would have your gallery and the camera. You just have to plug it really quick here if I can. After you plug it, it will go in itself after you say okay, that you allow it. And as you see, now you're seeing the camera in live view. Here's how you adjust the light. 8 bright LEDs that are around it. But yeah, looks like you can see it. Let me put it a little bit closer to this camera here. And yes, the LEDs are going up and down as you see. It is really, really helpful in those tight spaces that you're looking for to brighten the light or lower the light. And it really works phenomenally good. And here's the accessories box that you have here. Looks really nice, by the way. And let me just check inside this female USB-C. Oh yeah, I really like this quality that this camera has. And let me show you really quick what's inside this box, by the way. We have the hook that you would use. Really nice and metal. Besides that, we have the mirror. Really high quality. I was surprised how good the mirror records. And here we have the magnet, which is quite strong for the size of this magnet. It's definitely some kind of neodymium. And here's a piece of metal that's much bigger than this magnet. But look at what it does actually. It can hold it without a single problem. I was really, really surprised of what this magnet did. I really like it. And now let me get out of here and straight to the car so you guys can actually see what it can do in real life. Now let's take a quick look inside my vent in my car, because what good this video would be without some real life samples or examples. Now I don't know what I'm looking for exactly, because nothing's wrong with my car, but just to show you that it is very possible that you can see inside it and check those numbers, and hopefully I'm not doxing myself with an AC vent here with those codes. But regardless, I'm just trying to show you the usability of the camera to see up to this much detail. This is probably towards the blower inside the AC vent, inside the vents. And let me go to the engine real quick, because that's probably more interesting. Inside where you pour the oil, we're gonna look for the chains. Yeah, looks like a bicycle. See, our cars are not far from bicycles. And as you see, the camera has really great detail. If you know how to hold it and where to hold it, unlike me, I can see everything that I need to see there if I knew what I'm looking for, especially if you're a mechanic or somebody that's mechanically inclined, I would definitely see a lot of use with this camera because it simply works and works very well. As you see, there looks like plus and minus. I never noticed that the timing chain has the chain has that. Huh. Okay, if you're a mechanic, you can comment below if that's normal for all the chains to have that number, but I never seen it. Now let's check an AC vent in the house. Looks nasty, but don't worry about it. We're here just to check with the camera. Now you're not gonna see that much because obviously these vents are not that bad. Even though it looks bad because the camera goes close, but believe me, they are not that bad. Actually, they are clean. And besides that, we have other uses that are inside the app itself, like the zoom function, as you see here. I can zoom out. Let me zoom back in. You can zoom up to 2 times, and you don't really lose quality. In the left side, you can check what you already had. And here, you can put it in black and white mode or color mode. And a lot of times, these modes are used to see text and all that stuff. And as you see here with a piece of colored paper, I can see black and white if I wish so, especially for text. That's really, really useful. For more details that you might need to read and see, use this feature. Really, really easy. Here's where you split your screen, that you have the preview on the left side and what you had before on the right side. So let's say you took a picture of a clogged pipe or something, a detail inside your car, and on the left side you'll have a live view of that same spot to compare it with. So, or you could have a picture of something that you want to compare this with in order to fix it and how it should look like. I see that as very helpful, and this is the rotation because it's cylindrical as a camera, so it's easy to lose track where it's rotated. It's not always a flat plane inside, so instead of rotating the camera and the tube, you just rotate it in the app. And yes, you can go 180 with the app, and it's really, really easy. Here's where you take a picture, allow it, and I just took a picture. And here's where you would take videos. And this is a video taken with this camera. Really, really good quality for an endoscope camera of this price. I absolutely think has a great value to offer. And as you see, you can see in detail my nasty thumb or the lightning port that comes with this camera. And after all, what I think about this camera, I honestly think is one of the greatest values for your money, or how we say it, the best bang for the buck. If you want to get one of them, I will leave a link in the description below, and as well, you will have a link to their official YouTube channel, ANYKIT YouTube channel, and you can go see their other products. They have some really amazing products, by the way. You can just go check them yourself, and as per me and my opinion, I believe this camera has a bright future ahead of it with this kind of quality and this kind of options and workability around it. I absolutely love it. And with that said, I hope you learned something from this video and hope to see you hit like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye!